Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with another share for my 400 SUBBIE challenge giveaway, and this is entry number 21, and it comes from the Crafty Sensei. So let's see what she sent. So I think she made this envelope so pretty. Then, woo, look at this. Wow. So check it out. How beautiful. So another chunky one. It's layered a few times and raised on pop dots. I love this collection, so I didn't watch her video. I did comment, and then I shut it off right away. So, how pretty this is. So let's see, her name is Joanne. Maybe it's Johanne. She is the Crafty Sensei here on YouTube, and I will leave the link to her YouTube channel in the description box below so you guys can go check her out if you don't already subscribe to her. She's a June baby, and her favorite candies are chocolate covered caramels. Yummy! So would those be like, what would be chocolate covered caramels? I was thinking sugar daddies, but they're not chocolate covered. Because I like sugar daddies. I just hate that they get stuck in my teeth, but I love sugar daddies. So this is her entry. Thank you so much for entering. I appreciate your support and love for the channel. And she does hail from Canada. I've had some clients from Canada. Oh, I can't even remember. Some from Toronto, some from Quebec. And there was another one, and she was more on the west coast, but I can't remember what city she's from. But look at how pretty this Parisian card is. And it just says, oh, look, she put this gold die cut. Hi, Maka. Congrats on surpassing 400 subscribers. Hopefully this made it in time for your challenge. Take care and stay safe. Your crafty friend, the Crafty Sensei. Thank you so much. It surely did make it here on time. So I probably had it for about a week or so. And there's no stamp on like the date that it was mailed, but it did get here in time. So I want to welcome all my new subscribers. If you're new, thank you so much for considering joining us here. My current subscribers, welcome back. And if you would like to join me on my little crafty journey, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you want to be notified when I do upload videos, hit that bell next to the subscribe button. And until the next video, hope you guys are staying safe and healthy. Don't forget to put your masks on when you go out in public. Shakas!